Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and I got my basket for free today with a triple stack of boosters, and I did use some manufacturer register rewards because I had $20 of Walgreens items in here, no digital coupons to go with, but a very good basket this morning, and everything worked out really well, including a triple stack. One thing I do want to point out before we go into this a little bit more, those elusive Papermate pens, still can't track them down. I did look this morning, and Frosted Mini Wheats is a deal that we're going to pursue on Monday because that register reward will start printing on Monday as it's part of a manufacturer deal for an entire month. Let's just remember that. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big thumbs up. I know these barn cats that live a property next door would really appreciate it, as would I. And maybe it would give me some motivation to clean my really dirty slider. But these cats every day are always licking the slider and looking for some rotisserie chicken. I don't know who's been feeding them that, but these little girls would really appreciate a big thumbs up. So the first couple deals that we're going to look at, guys, is just the best deals of the week if you do not wish to do a booster. So the first one I'm going to say is with the Garnier Fructis. Sorry, my store was not tagged. I went like at 9 a.m. on the nose. We're going to grab 2 of them and then load this magic coupon, which is a 3 off of 2. So for 2 of those shampoos this week, it's $8 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2 for the 2 or $1 per shampoo. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you could use, in theory, $5 of Walgreens cash to get that $3 register reward. And I just think this is a fantastic deal when we can get shampoo at this price. And just to show you guys, here is that gorgeous $3 register reward. It printed for me this morning. Everything was working out wonderfully. The next deal of the week that I would say is really fantastic is with the Dawn dish soaps that are $1.24, either apple or original. You pick the scent that you want, but grab 2 of them for this deal. 2 of them is going to be $2.48. If you're doing this without a booster, I would throw in $2 of Walgreens cash, pay 48 cents, and get back a $1 register reward, making it 74 cents per dish soap. And again, you're doing this without a booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. To answer a quick question, if you wanted to grab 4, you would have to do it in 2 separate transactions, as that register reward will only print once per transaction. Hard and fast rule over at Walgreens. And here is our gorgeous little $1 register reward. The next deal is on some dental care. We're going to grab one of the Colgate Max Fresh. They're priced for $4 this week. And then one of the Colgate mouth rinses also priced at $4 this week. If you don't like paying for dental care, this isn't a deal for you. But I know some of us, we haven't had a deal in this in a while, so yeah, here it is. We're going to load the following $1 digital coupons. This one for the rinse and then this one for the paste. Thus, we need to grab 2 different items. It's not the same product for this little dealio. So 2 of those Colgate products, guys, is 8 on the nose. Subtracting your $2 of digitals, pay 6, get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. But I know a lot of us will not even pay this much for toothpaste. So, you make the executive decision. Is this a good deal for you? Yay or nay? Now, if you are a fancy lady and like the Hemp's lotion, I know a lot of us out there, it's either this or Dr. Bronner's, and I'm right with you guys. I love the fancy lotions. 50% off certain flavors or scents or whatever you're going to call them. This one is called Pink Himalayan Sea Salt. That sounds glorious for $9.99. I would personally use $10 in Walgreens cash and call that a little gift for myself, but somebody beat me to the store, so I'm not getting one today, but I'm going to keep my eyes out for this because I love this lotion. Also, we have the Complete Home bags. They are on a buy 1, get 2 for free promotion. So for 3 of them, it's $2.79 or 93 cents per. I definitely would stock up, especially if you're a home cook or you use a lot of these bags like for organization or just around the house or for lunches for work or school. Yeah, definitely a great price point. Okay, friends, so here is my triple stack. 7 back when you spend $25, which is a weekly basket offer. 7 back when you spend $20. You have to have that loaded. And that is an offer that was been happening for 2 weeks, and it's on Walgreens specific brands. So I grabbed the toilet paper, and then I had a paper booster of 9 back when you spend 40. This all worked, and this was my basket: 4 of the toilet papers, 3 of the Tresemes, and then 2 of the Garnier Fructis. For those of you that are like, I need to see the shampoo to make this official, here it is. So I have 5 shampoos, and I'm really low in shampoo in my stockpile, so I'm okay with this deal. For the toilet paper, guys, just make sure you're scanning barcodes and that this message is appearing 7 back when you spend 20, that you're grabbing the right items. And then the Tresemme this week is to buy 3 to get back a $5 register reward, and they're $6 a pop, so I grabbed the cheaper ones tagged 2 for $12. And yes, the third one will ring up $6, not $6.99. Okay, and here is the 5 off of 3 digital coupon, and it came off perfectly at checkout. I need to buy a lottery ticket. And then I grabbed 2 of these cutie pies for $8, and we have that 3 off 2 digital coupon as well. So boom, here it is. So make sure you have that loaded. So looking at the overall basket, 4 of the Walgreens toilet papers is $20. And then 2 of the Garnier shampoos for $8. And then I grabbed 3 of the Tresemes for $18 on the nose for a grand total of $46. So yes, I did go a little bit over, but I'm okay with that. So I had my following digital boosters loaded: 7 back when you spend 25 on general merchandise, 7 when you spend 20 on Walgreens branded merchandise, and then I got the cashier to scan the 9 back when you spend 40 booster. I had $8 in digitals that came off, the $5 for the Tresemme and the $3 for the Garnier, plus I handed over $9 in manufacturer register rewards that I had from last week. So I paid $29 with my debit card, got back $24 in Walgreens cash for all of those gorgeous boosters, and then I also got back $8 in register rewards. So it makes my haul free. If you're not counting the $9, it makes it a couple of bucks for this haul, which I still think is fantastic. Remember, as you're using all those different boosters, do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance or store register rewards, or it's going to monkey up your balance. And here is the $8 in register rewards that printed for me. So what a great morning over at Walgreens. I definitely would get out there and do some of these deals. Okay, so before I skedaddle, for those of you that really love the Dollar General, today is the last day of their 3-day clearance event. And I know there's a lot of fatigue and people are just not feeling this clearance event. But if this is your thing, pay attention. We have some deals and steals. I made a video on Friday. I'm going to let you know that pasta deal and the folder deal, they're dead. They ended on Saturday morning. They pulled it, as I suspected. This is my little modest haul from Saturday and part of this morning. Nothing too spectacular, but a couple deals to be had and found. So I thought we would just go through them. And I still love getting this stuff so cheap. I actually found a lot of penny items this go around, and it's food penny items, so I always love to gift my in-laws food stuff, so they're going to be so delighted. This 24 pack of the Clover Valley French vanilla cappuccinos to go in your Keurig, a penny. I mean, this is crazy. Found this right at the front of the store, and I was shocked that nobody pulled it or found it, and it was like Saturday when I found it, which was weird. I found 4 of these coffee mates. So it's just a little cream that you put inside of your coffee, and it's actually low carb, which was like crazy. It doesn't expire until October, so I could theoretically even use these, but a penny, I mean, that's a fabulous price point. I'm going to show you guys the UPC. Even in the app, if it says that it is not in your store, you might be surprised and find it in your store. The Mr. Clean Magic Sheets, there's either a 50-cent or this $1 off tube, but depending how many you find, it's going to be 70 cents because they're $1.20 on the clearance event. And here is the UPC. This is a harder item to find, but one store yesterday I found 6, which was crazy. We have 23 cents Finish pods. We have a $2 digital, dropping this down to 23 cents. That is my price point. And here is the UPC if you wish to look for this in your store. There's a $2 cash back and then $2 back with IBOTTA, making this a 76-cent moneymaker if you pick up one of these Clorox disinfectant mists. And here is the UPC. Again, another item, it's saying it's not in stock anywhere, but I found like a whole shelf of them at one store. I only grabbed one. And the Lysol wipes, we have a 75-cent digital and then 50 cents back with IBOTTA, $1.57. It shakes us down to 32 cents, so I grabbed one of those. And then still a free item this morning is the Dove body wash, these specific ones with the $4 digital, and another free item, this Paradise Unstoppable $2.30 coupon. Some stores, it's either just a free item if it's been updated. If it's a non-updated store, a little bit of overage. I think 97 cents for the Dove and like 30 cents for this car clip. Anyhow, guys, that's it for this video. Get out there and have some fun. Today is the last day, which is August the 6th, for the clearance event over at the Dollar General. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.